In this video, I'm going to show you how to download ATAS platform. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to atas.net, and then you want to go to the very bottom over here where you can basically create your account. Now, you can create your free account by clicking this button over here. It's going to basically ask you for a few things. For me, I already have an account, so I already am logged in, as you can see. But for you, if you're doing this for the first time, you'll just basically have to put in some of your information, and after that, you'll be able to sign up for your account. Now, to actually download the ATAS platform, here on the left, you can see it says download ATAS. You want to click on that, and then over here you can see you can download ATAS for Windows. If you're looking for a platform version for Mac, you can click over here and they will take you down here where basically you'll be able to get that as well. Now here, download ATAS for Windows, you should click on that, and then once that's downloaded, click on the thing that downloaded, the exe file, and then it's going to open up the setup. You're going to have to go through the agreement. You have to read it thoroughly, actually do read it in detail, and after you do that, if you accept the agreement, click I accept, then click on next, then click on next and basically select where you want the destination to be, so where you want the location of the installation to be. Click on next again, and then here select which version you want. You can do latest, beta, or stable. Click next again, and it's going to basically just start installing over here. So as you can see, that's pretty much it. I'm going to cancel it because I have it installed already. So after you do that, your ATAS platform will be successfully downloaded to your computer, and you can go ahead and start using it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.